Hello ka-Ilians! I am Jan Mercado of Eat and Sip Cafe, and I am inviting you all to try our cafe located right across PLDT Lawag and La Moda Pansiteria. Try nyo na po, lalo na ngayon na malapit na yung first anniversary namin, which will be on June 28, 2021. So for our first treat sa anniversary promo namin, we have the pay piso for a meal for two. So from June 21 to 24, every single purchase receipt of 400, basta ma-meet nyo lang yung 400 minimum namin sa pagkain nyo, may isang entry na kayo para sa raffle namin on June 25. Sa raffle na yun, we will be picking 3 winners na magkakaroon ng chance, magkakaroon ng ng your choice, their choice of 1 pasta, 1 appetizer, 2 main courses, 2 16-ounce drinks, anything, as in anything talaga, their choice, and they would only be paying piso. Tapos we will also be releasing our matcha series sa drinks kasi marami nag-aabang matcha series sa drinks kasi marami nag-aabang nan even before pa. So, yan na. Pinakinggan na namin kayo. So, yun. And dahil malapit ng anniversary namin, watch out for more promos and mga bago namin re-release like our cold brew drinks in a flask. So, first time ko yun sasabihin dito, we will be offering cold brew soon in a flask so you can take it home.